Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In my previous video, we have seen how to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So if you haven't watched that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. So in today's video, we will see by completing the squares. Now let's see by completing the square. In this method, we have to convert any quadratic equation to the form ax plus b the whole square minus c square equal to 0. That is, we have to bring down the quadratic equation to this form. That we will see in the example. So now we have a quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. In this method, first check the coefficient of x square. If the coefficient of x square is a perfect square number, in this case the coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 is a perfect square number, right? So you will proceed what I do now. If in case the coefficient of x square is not a perfect square number, then how to proceed? That we will see in the next example. In this case, the next step is to bring this equation to the form ax plus b the whole square minus c square equal to 0. Now if you see this is of the form a plus b the whole square, right? So we know a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2 into a in this case is ax, right? A into b is b plus b square, right? Minus c square, that is this c square, which is equal to 0. So now here first we will bring this equation to this form and then we will bring back to this form. So how to do this? So here we have 1 into x, right? So x square minus 2 into ab. So 2 into a is this, right? 1 into x, right? Here b, with what number if you multiply you will get minus 4x. So we have minus 2x into what number will give you minus 4x? So 2 into 2, right? So minus 2 2s are 4 into x is 4x. So in this case, in order to bring this to this form, you have to add b square. Here in this case is b is 2, so 2 square. When you add some number, you have to subtract the same number. So this will not make any change to the equation, right? I hope you got the point. So now we have plus 1, which is equal to 0. So this has not made any change to this equation, right? This is of the form this. So here this whole term is of the form ax minus b the whole square. That is, a here is 1x, right? So 1x minus b is 2 the whole square, right? So we have minus 2 square is 4 plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So we have x minus 2 the whole square, that is 1x is nothing but x, minus 3 equal to 0. So this is nothing but x minus 2 the whole square is equal to 3, which implies x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus root 3, right? So we have x minus 2 is equal to plus root 3 or x minus 2 is equal to minus root 3, which implies x is equal to root 3 plus 2. In this case, x is equal to minus root 3 plus 2. Therefore, roots of the given equation are root 3 plus 2 and 2 minus root 3. Now let's see this quadratic equation. We have 3x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now if you see this example, here the coefficient of x square is 3, which is not a perfect square number, right? So if you come across an equation whose coefficient is not a perfect square number, you have to make it to perfect square number. That is by multiplying with suitable number. In this case, when you multiply by 3, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is a perfect square number, right? So you cannot multiply only to this term. So when you multiply with some number, you have to multiply to the whole equation. Now let's multiply this equation by 3. that is multiply by 3. We have 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9x square minus 3 2s are 6x minus 3 1s are 3, which is equal to 3 into 0 is 0. So now we have to write this equation in this form, that is 9x square can be written as 3 into x the whole square, right? So 3 3s are 9, x into x is x square. So here minus 6x. So we have to write minus 6x in terms of 2 into AB. That is, we have minus 2 into, here A is 3x, right? So 3x. 3x into minus 2 is minus 6x. So here B is 1. When you multiply this whole term, this should give you minus 6x. Check, minus 2 into 3 into 1 is minus 6x, right? So now we want B square. Here in this case the B is 1. So 1 square, when you add 1 square, you have to subtract 1 square as well, right? Then we have minus 3 here, which is equal to 0. Now this whole term can be written as 3x minus B is 1 the whole square. Agreed? Minus 1 and minus 3 is minus 4, right? Minus 4 is equal to 0. So here c square is 4. So now this equation is in the form of ax plus b the whole square minus c square equal to 0. So we'll continue. 3x minus 1 the whole square is equal to plus 4, right? Which implies 3x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 4, which implies 3x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. So let me continue here. We have 3x minus 1 is equal to plus 2 or 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 2, right? Which implies 3x is equal to 2 plus 1, which implies x is equal to 3 by 3. So therefore x is 1, right? In this case we have 3x is equal to minus 2 plus 1, which implies 3x is equal to minus 1. So therefore x is minus 1 by 3, right? So here the roots of the given equation are 1 and minus 1 by 3. We will see one more example. Now let's see this example. We have root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Now if you see the coefficient of x square, here the coefficient of x square is root 3, right? Which is not a perfect square number. So first we have to multiply with suitable number to make the coefficient of x square a perfect square number. So how can we do that? So first we have to remove this square root symbol, right? So when you multiply this whole equation by root 3 into root 3 will give you 3, right? First let's do that. So multiply the by root 3. So your equation will be root 3 into root 3 is 3x square plus 10 into root 3x, right? Plus 7 into root 3 into root 3 is 3, which is equal to root 3 into 0 is 0, right? So we have 3x square plus 10 root 3x plus 7 3s are 21, which is equal to 0. So now if you see this equation, the coefficient of x square is still not a perfect square number, right? So you have to multiply with suitable number that will make this coefficient of x square a perfect square number. Check, if you multiply by 2, 3 2s are 6, but 6 is not a perfect square number, right? So when you multiply by 3, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is a perfect square number. And multiply, let's take this equation 1 by 3. So 3 3s are 9x square plus 3 into 10 is 30 root 3x, right? Plus 3 into 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 63, which is equal to 3 into 0 is 0. So now we have a quadratic equation which you have to write in the form of this and then convert it back to this form. So 9x square can be written as 3 into x the whole square, right? Plus 30 root 3x should be written in the form of 2 into AB. So 2 into A is 3x, right? Now what is B? So 3x into 2 is 6x. We want 30 root 3. So 6, how many is the 30? 6 5s are 30, right? 5. We want root 3 as well. So 5 into root 3. This whole term when you multiply, you will get 30 root 3x, right? So here B is 5 root 3. So we want B square. So 5 root 3 the whole square. So when you add something, you have to subtract as well, right? So minus 5 root 3 the whole square, right? Then we have here plus 63, which is equal to 0. So now this whole term can be written as 3x plus B is 5 root 3 the whole square. Agreed? So here we have minus 5 into root 3 the whole square. So 5 square is 5 5 is 25. 25 into root 3 the whole square is square and square root will get cancelled. So we are left with 3, right? So plus 63, which is equal to 0. Here we have 3x plus 5 root 3 the whole square. So here we have minus 25 into 3 is 75, right? Plus 63, which is equal to 0, which implies 3x plus 5 root 3 the whole square minus 75 plus 63 is minus 12, which is equal to 0, right? So now this equation is of the form ax plus b the whole square minus c square. Here the c square is 12, which is equal to 0. We will continue this, but before that pause the video and note this down. So now we have 3x plus 5 root 3 the whole square minus 12 is equal to 0. We will simplify this further. We have 3x plus 5 root 3 the whole square is equal to plus 12, right? Which implies 3x plus 5 root 3 is equal to plus or minus root 12. So now we have 3x plus 5 root 3 is equal to, so now how to write root 12? Root 12 can be written as 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are, right? So make a group of 2 with same factors. So we have 2, so 2 root 3. So root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. This means 3x plus 5 root 3 is equal to plus 2 root 3 or 3x plus 5 root 3 is equal to minus 2 root 3, right? So now we have 3x is equal to 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3, which implies x is equal to 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3 will give you 3 root 3 by 3, right? So 3 1s are, 3 1s are, so your x is root 3. In this case we have 3x is equal to minus 2 root 3, so minus 5 root 3, which implies x is equal to minus 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3 will give you minus 7 root 3 by 3, right? We have minus 7 root 3 by 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, right? So here root 3, 1 root 3 is gone. We are left with minus 7 by root 3. Therefore, the roots of the given equation are root 3 and minus 7 root 3. Which means the zeros of this equation are root 3 and minus 7 root 3. Agreed? So this is it in this video. I hope you understood how to solve this quadratic equation by completing the squares. So if you did, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.